I've never found a more versatile sauce than Romesco, one of the 6 mother sauces of Spain. It's perfect for dipping bread, veggies, or even serving it up with grilled fish or meat. And it's yet again another example of the Spanish way of turning ordinary ingredients into extraordinary flavors. Beginning with almonds, bread, tomatoes, onion, garlic, red bell pepper, a sweet and smoky pepper from Valencia known as a ñora chili pepper, and some spices. Place 6 whole plum tomatoes in a baking pan. I grabbed mine from the garden this morning, so I know they're super fresh. Slice a red bell pepper in half, removing all the seeds and the stem core. Next, take the top off a whole head of garlic, exposing all those cloves so that they'll get nice and caramelized when they're roasting in the pan. Now, slice an onion in half, leaving the skin on, and add that too. Finally, gently brush all the vegetables with a healthy dose of extra virgin olive oil. Put them in a 350-degree oven for 30 minutes. Now we have plenty of time to prepare 3 ñora chili peppers by soaking them in hot water for 15 minutes. While we spend 5 minutes tossing and toasting 1/4 cup of almonds in a bit of olive oil until they're a nice golden brown. I'm using Marcona almonds today because they're a specialty of this region and they're incredibly buttery. Once you remove the toasted almonds, replace them with 1 ounce of crustless white bread, soaking up all the remaining oil, and toast both sides. Now let's remove the chilies from the hot water and let them drain a bit as we take off those tops and remove all the seeds from the inside. ñora chili peppers originated in the Valencian region of Spain where I live, and they're world famous for imparting a really smoky and sweet flavor to any dish you use them in. Using my favorite Spanish kitchen tool, the mortar and pestle, we're going to pound the chiles into a rough paste. We don't need to pound it super smooth, we just want to release all those incredible essential oils that make this chili so special. We'll soften them a bit further in a little bit of olive oil over a medium heat for just a minute, and then remove them from the pan and reserve them for the blender. All those little steps gave the vegetables just enough time to finish roasting. As soon as they're out of the oven, wait until they're cool enough to handle and carefully remove all the skins from the peppers. Next, pull the skins off the tomatoes, the onion, and squeeze those caramelized cloves from the whole head of garlic. With all the roasted vegetables in the blender, don't forget to add the toasted bread, along with the almonds and the ñora chili pepper paste. Then finish with 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of sherry vinegar, another really classic ingredient from the south of Spain and Jerez, and 1/2 tablespoon of sea salt. The finishing touch, as with most Spanish dishes, 7 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now puree everything until it forms a smooth, thick sauce. You can save this, use it for at least a week. Won't take that long to use, I'm sure, because if you grill any vegetables or just set out cold vegetables, or you grill fish, or you have meat, or you have potatoes, or whatever you want to use it for, this is going to be your new summer go-to sauce. I promise. Now it's time to try another classic Spanish sauce, garlic mayonnaise, known here as alioli.